Is correctly reverse engineered, bolts, nuts, or gaskets sufficient to resolve the U.S. NRC's recent concerns cited in Information Notice 2016-09?
No, I don't think so. While bolts and nuts and gaskets are critical, they are simple in nature and typically manufactured to an ASTM spec, an ASME spec, or a mill spec. So any supplier that can meet the required spec essentially can correctly reverse engineer these commodity type items. We feel that the NRC in Information Notice 2016-09 is more concerned with reverse engineering of more complex electrical and INC devices where multiple inputs and outputs and signals have to be duplicated. In essence, the NRC wants to ensure that the process of duplicating an item is documented based on sound engineering auditable basis.